Hey y'all, 'tis me. Welcome to me. Oh fuck. I thought I fucking lost it. It's little Haley's guitar pick. Oh my god, it used to be in the back of my phone case. But today... Okay, so this is a 6, and I had this for the fattest ass fucking minute. And got the iPhone 10, iPhone X, or whatever the hell. And let me just say... Come in! So basically, this phone has been through a lot. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I filmed so many... The most of my viral list videos have been on this phone. Famous as fuck! Okay. She's never been broken, but this thing doesn't work and there's some water damage, as Verizon may call it. But yeah, like hashtag vape video was halfway filmed on this, so like you already know that shit I could sell on eBay for more than I'm giving to Verizon, but I'm just doing a deed. Okay, so let's open this. May the new times roll, and let me film more viral videos with this. I don't know how to fucking use this shit. How the fuck do I use an iPhone 10? Oh god, I don't know how to use this shit. Does it turn on? Okay, look, she's turning on. She's bilingual. As fuck. Hello. Oh my god, she's bilingual as fuck! Is that it?
Hello.
I don't know what the fuck do I do. How do I get in? I literally don't know how to use this bullshit.
You swipe up as a home button.
Oh. Also, I got this, and the lady was trying to sell me some random shit. I was just like, bitch, bro. Because she was like, get a fucking glass screen protector. And I was like, hop off my fucking dick. But this shit has never fucking broken. And it's a little bit musty because I was planning on getting a new phone. But I've had this plastic shitty screensaver for over a fucking year. And this phone has never even fucking cracked once. But that's just a helpful fucking hint. I just accepted the fact that the FBI is watching me and just looking at my face. What a treat! Also, we have this right here. I forgot. What the fuck do I do? Open it?
Yeah, it's elaborate as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie.
This is what the people want to see. And this right here. And this right here. Oh my god, I shouldn't throw shit because last time I did that and like when I unboxed this computer, like everybody was like, bitch, go to fucking hell. But that's not all the comments are always like. But yes, this is an unboxing channel. Dongle. Unboxing a vape channel.
You should label it that. Everyone will suck off of that.
Ready? Get in there.
In my
head,
I was
that's
like,
about to get views if I actually do that shit.
In my head, I was like, wait, that actually looks realistic.
And I was like, about to get views. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
iPhone. More like iPhone. Oh. And if you think about, okay, wait. What am I gonna say? I forgot what the fuck I was gonna say. Like, it must have not been that important. Okay. Okay, you obviously don't need quality, like, videos if you wanna, like, be popping. Just film on your shitty fucking Android or your shitty iPhone and you will... Like, I don't give a fuck, bro. Like... Film on that shit right there. And you can do whatever you fucking want on YouTube. Take over, bitch! Fuck you. I've gotten like more than I think 50,000 views from just filming on this a reaction video. Okay, I know it's dark, but like whatever. It's a fat minute later, and I'm about to put a screen cover on this shit, some ghetto ass screensaver thing. But I thought I'd just put this in the video because I know it'd be short. I think I got it's for the back and the front. I already have like a case, but this shit is glass. real ones now. I got plastic ones, by the way, because fuck them glass ones for now. Easy Skins. Not sponsored, not fucking sponsored. Pay me, bitch. Pay me. She's low-key on. God fucking damn it, I got a crust in it. It's like a singular fucking dot of like just a spectacle piece of shit. No eyebrows. She's right there. I wanna try to get that out, but then I might make it worse. But fuck it. Fuck, I hope I'm not making it. Fuck. I just fucked myself over. Apparently the back for this, you literally need a fucking hairdryer to put it on. Like, that ain't happening tonight. It's literally 1 in the morning. Like, nah. So I guess I'll do this another time. Okay, so I'm on this new iPhone. Like, this is my old phone. Look how ghetto the screen is. But we out here. Hopefully the camera quality is hella good, because that's why I got it, but... I'm gonna go now. If I find anything different, I'll tell you. But like, comment, subscribe. Dislike, comment, subscribe. Bop those buttons. Put your what do they fucking call their notifications?
Put your
Put your toastifications on.
Put your notifications on, and we'll let you know when our shit comes out.
Yeah, dude.